Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import data from a PDF file into Excel in 2025. This is super useful if you have reports, invoices, or tables saved as PDFs, and you want to work with that data directly in Excel. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel 2025 on your computer. From the top menu, click on the Data tab. Here you'll see several import options. Look for the one that says Get Data. Click on Get Data, then go down to From File and select from PDF. A window will pop up asking you to choose the PDF file you want to import. Go ahead and browse your computer, select your PDF, and then click Import. Excel will now process the file and show you a navigator window. On the left side, you'll see all the tables and pages that Excel has detected inside your PDF. You can click on each one to preview it. When you've found the table or page you want, select it and then click Load. Excel will bring that data directly into your worksheet. If you need to clean it up or reorganize it, you can use the built-in tools like Power Query Editor before loading it in. And that's it. You've successfully imported data from a PDF file into Excel in 2025. It's a fast and easy way to save time instead of copying everything manually. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.